Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be tinting my eyebrows using this. I've gone for the colour, I've gone for the colour black. I've never in my life tinted my eyebrows before, so I am very nervous, but as it is, we're all in lockdown, no one's going to see me, so that is a good point. So yeah, it's a dye brow permanent tint for brows. It says it lasts for up to 6 weeks. And you get up to 12 applications in this box. So when you open up the box, you get the little activator and then the colour cream. It's a little bit like hair dye, I guess. You get a little spoolie as well. I'm guessing that's to brush up your eyebrows. Yeah. Okay, as you can see with my eyebrows, I don't know, I wouldn't say they're thin, but I just want them darker to match my hair, if possible. So, okay, here goes. You get the instructions. I already had a look at these yesterday, so let's have a look. So it says that you need 2 centimetres of the dye colour, which is this one, and then you add 5 drops of the activating solution. So you get like a little dish. So yeah, I'm gonna get on with it. Okay guys, I've mixed the two together and I've ended up with a grey colour. I'm not sure if that's normal. For some reason I thought it would have gone black, so I don't know what's happened there, but I will give it a try. It started to dye my hand. Oh, I don't know. Okay then. Okay, well, I've got a little makeup brush. I'm gonna apply it. Here goes. I don't know about this. brown eyebrows?
Yeah. They're so big.
Okay guys, we're back. I left it for about between 5 and 7 minutes. I'm just using a sensitive baby wipe. I'm so nervous. Okay, here goes. Don't know about this, it looks a bit... Oh God, look at that. Oh God. Okay, see if I can rub a bit more out. Oh bloody hell. I don't like this part here. Keep rubbing. Oh, I don't know. Okay, let me give them a brush. Oh, it looks a bit too... Look like bloody Helga from Arnold.
I'm Helga.
What made me go for black? Got no bloody idea. Okay, let me just brush them with this spoolie. God. I'm gonna try and just brush the front part a little bit, see if I can brush some of the dye out. I don't know if it's working. I don't know guys, it literally, I don't know, it's a big change for me. It looks very blocky here at the front. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. God, I'm so glad we're in lockdown right now because I'm not going to have to see anyone. Except for my partner, he's going to think I'm a right twat. Oh God. What do you think? Oh, I don't know. God. Okay, I'm gonna try and get a little bit closer. If you can see. I don't know. My eyebrows are quite long anyway. If they're brushed up, I just think they look a little bit blocky. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh, I don't know. Okay, it might take a little bit of getting used to, but oh, I don't know. Do you know what? We're in lockdown. It's gonna take a little bit of getting used to, but I've had worse eyebrows. Like I used to have no eyebrows at all. I used to do them even thicker at the front. They were like proper, like boxed off. Okay, just let me okay, thanks guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. if you think I should have gone for a different colour, maybe a dark brown. I don't know. I don't know if this goes with my colour of my hair. I haven't got a clue. But like I say, we're in lockdown, no one's gonna see me. If you like the video, give me a like, leave me a comment, please subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.